Hello, my name is Milena and welcome to another episode from the Drive. Today we're going to discuss how to create a brand in 7 steps. But first, what's a brand? We know that it's a marketing concept used to identify a product or service or a company in the market. Yes, we know that. But what else? What is a brand? A brand is that idea, is that dream, that goal that you once had, and then you create it, you transform it into a reality. It's a creation of your own. So, what's the first step to create a brand? The first step is to identify your brand purpose. Why are you creating this brand? What do you want with this brand? Maybe you were always passionate about cooking and you decided that you want to become a chef so people can enjoy of amazing plates because they don't have time to cook. Or maybe you have a financial necessity and that's it. It's okay. But the important is to identify your brand purpose. What do you want with this brand? What are you solving? Why is it valuable for people? If people don't find a value, they're not going to identify with your brand. Okay? Step 2. Identifying your target audience. What people do you want to address? Everyone cannot be our target audience. It will be like really difficult to address everyone. For example, if you are selling clothes, you cannot sell clothes to kids, to adults, to old people, to animals. I don't know, like, what kind of clothes do you want to sell? Okay, maybe it's clothes for women. Okay, what women? There are women from 35 years to 45 years that want to go to a party. Okay, so you're selling dresses for a party. And what income do these people have? So when selecting your target audience, remember, what age do they have? Are they female or male? What's their income? Where are they? Okay? What interests do they have? What do they like? What do they dislike? What are their goals? What are their pains? What are their fears? Okay? The more specific, the best. Third, identify your style and your personality. What style and what personality does your brand have? You need to choose 3 to 7 personality traits and select them for your brand. For example, are you having a happy brand? Are you having a formal brand? Is it energetic? Is it passionate? Is it adventurous? Is it more intellectual? Anything is okay, but you need to choose. Then, your brand needs to have a tone, a voice. Okay? How does it speak? Does it speak in a friendly way? Is it speak in a formal way? You choose it. It's okay. And then, if you want to tell the story of your brand, that's better because your audience is going to identify it with you and is going to say, yeah, that's the brand that I want to choose. That's the brand that I want to follow. Now, in the step 4, it's time to brainstorm your logo and slogan. Don't judge. Don't judge your ideas. Just take a piece of paper and write down all the ideas that you have. Write without stopping. Write all the slogans that you create that go with your brand and that personality that you have established. Don't judge. Use all the ideas and then just check it out. And you're gonna select the one that resonates the most with you. Then, step 5. Choose the style that you want to have. What color are you going to use? What typography are you going to use? All the colors have a different meaning. If you have a brand that is strong, maybe you can use red color because red is a relation with passion, with strong, with energy. Okay? Or if you have a more friendly or happy brand, sorry, for kids, for example, let's say you can use yellow because yellow is a color that resembles to happiness, to energy, and you need to select the color that you want. All the colors have a positive and a negative meaning and you have to check it out. And the same with a typography. Do you want a formal typography because maybe you are selling wedding invitations, or you have a more crazy typography because you have a bar for artists? You need to take that in account and create that style. Okay, step 6. Create your logo. It's time to create your logo. This is the most creative and amazing part of the process. You need to choose everything that we've been working and create a logo. Remember, everything enters through the eyes. People are gonna have an impression because of the logo that you have. So remember that this logo needs to present those colors that you have chosen, those typography that you have chosen, that personality, okay? Remember, you can have a logo that is only an image, you can have a logo that's only text, or you can have the mix. It's okay, it's up to you. And the final step, 7. Apply your branding to everything. Apply your branding to your social media, apply your branding to your physical store, apply it to everything to resemble that personality that you have created, that brand, people are gonna look at the store and they're gonna say, yes, this is a brand. For example, your social media should include all your colors, should have a style of post, should use the same logo so people recognize it. And that's it, guys. Those are the 7 steps. So, what are you waiting for? You need to jump into the pool and go. Bye!